Alright, we're going to change this out. I'm going to take these two bolts out. This thing ain't no fun changing, I'm telling you. So I loosened up one, then I took the other one all the way out, took this one all the way out. It's going to be two washers fall out. There's one. And where's the other one at? It's in there somewhere. Go ahead and take these two bolts out. There's another washer in there somewhere. Alright, come over here on this side, pick up over here, and prise it just a little bit as you're picking up on it. Come on. What the heck? Alright. See, there's the washer. I'm going to line the hex up with this hex over here by turning this a little bit. You want your half moon lined up with that half moon, and to get it in there you want to prise it just a little bit. Just get a little bit of pry in there, get a little bit of persuading going on. This one you want to just see if you can get your goddamn hand back there, or you can take some grease and stick it to this and stick it to the other side before you even put it on there, and it'll stay in place. All right, now you want to put this in here just a little bit and stick your bolt in. Now you want to slide that washer as you're pushing on the bolt until it pops in place like that. Just go ahead and get it started. Don't tighten it up. Take this one. Thank goodness you ain't got to do this all the time. I mean, how many times you dethatch? A couple times a year, spring, fall. Alright, you slid that washer up in there until the bolt fell in. Now you want to tighten this down. And tighten this one. Don't tighten it all the way yet. You don't want to give it the what fur yet. A little bit, 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 a little bit. Done. 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 Pow, 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 pow. You.